Good morning, business owners. It is 2024, and if you are not social selling, you are losing business every single day. What is social selling? Social selling is not creating a post and putting it in a group on social media, hoping that somebody interacts with it and going back and checking every few hours to see that only 3 people have liked it and nobody's commented on it. Social selling is going online, creating your brand with specific messaging, telling about your services, telling about your pricing to get business out of that content. Let us help you. Let 16W Media Group help you navigate the branding highway on our new Branding Highway podcast and branded in your business's name. Imagine every month creating a podcast for 30 minutes that discusses what you do, a specific topic that you want to educate consumers on so they know how smart you are in your field, and then having a month's worth of social media content for you to share and use on every platform imaginable. Access our audience, over 10,000 followers and growing every single day. And that's not to mention what we do on actually social media. That's just our fan base. Let us help you today. Contact me. I will show you a turnkey method for creating that branding that gets you actual likes and actual content and actual consumers, which is the most important thing you're looking for. Let us make your brand different than every other brand that's trying the same thing that they've been trying since 2020. It's 2024. Social selling is where it's at. Contact us today and let us help you get started.